13 Amazon travel must-have. This is a 3-in-1 magnetic charger that powers iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch simultaneously. With a clip-on design for bags, this is a portable travel safe with spacious storage for valuables and secure it to lounge chairs with your custom passcode. This is a 4-piece refillable travel set featuring 55mm leak-proof bottles in a silicone suction cup case with labels. This is a travel-sized dual-voltage iron featuring a ceramic non-stick plate and included heat mat unpacked enough for any luggage. This is a versatile travel phone holder that securely clips onto luggage handles or seat back. This is a multifunctional travel case featuring a built-in cup holder, flip handle phone stand, lockable compartment, and USB charging port. This is an 8-pack of stretchy silicone covers that secure toiletries, creams, and sunscreen from leaks and prevent messy spills. This is a 2-in-1 travel pillow that slides onto luggage handles and unfolds into a plush blanket. This is a waterproof luggage protector that shields suitcases from scratches, stains, and rain. This is a space-saving travel power strip with a wraparound cord design that fits compactly in luggage. Turn any suitcase into a portable closet with this durable, space-saving travel cube. This compact sound machine fits in your pocket and plays 15 soothing sounds for better sleep anywhere. Keep your toothbrush fresh with this easy clip-on cover.